teach you from your Arith book exercise number 4F word problem. So in every word problem you have to read the question very carefully. So let's start the question number 1. Here 876 people went to a rally in buses. If 45 people could travel in one bus, how many buses were needed? Here you have to find out that how many buses needed to travel 876 people. So here the problem is divide. So let's start. Here the divider is 45. So you have to divide 876 with 45. So first here this 45 is 2 digits. So you have to take 2 digits from here first, 87. So 45 into 2 is 90. That is more than 87. Okay. So 45 into 2 is 90. That is more than 87. So we have to take 45 into 1. That is 45. So if we subtract 45 from 87, we get 42. So in the next line, we have to put that 6 on the next line. So 426. We have to divide 426 with 45 by 45. So 45 into 10 is 450. That is more than 426. So we have to take 45 into 9. That is 405. So if we subtract 405 from 426, we get 21. So in the question, you remember that how many buses were needed. So the question 19 is the buses were needed to travel 876 people. So the remainder is the people that is left over. So only 19 buses needed to travel 876 people and 21 people are left over. After question number 1, we are going to do question number B. That is 2. The mountain climbing club had rupees 950 to spend on cabs for each member. That is, there is a club that mountain climbing. They have to spend only rupees 950 to travel or anything for their members. So if each cabs cost rupees 47, how many cabs could they buy? That is, we have to find out that how many cabs we needed for only fund of rupees 950. So let's start. That is also like question number A, that is divide. So we have to divide 95 with 47. So let's go here, multiplication. So 47 2 is 94. That is 7 into 2 is 14. In your hand, that is 1. 2 into 4, 8. Plus 1 is 9, 94. So if we subtract 94 from 95 is 1. And again, this 0 we have to move it here. So this could not be remainder. This could not be remainder because 0 is directly comes out here. So we have to goes like this again. Quotient. So 47 cannot be divided into 10. So that's why we have to go with 0. 47 0 is 0 and the remainder is 10. So here you see the quotient. The quotient is the cabs. That is we have to take from that is rupees 950. So quotient 20, that is number of cabs, and the remainder is the rupees, that is remain from 950. So we have to take quotient as the number of cabs and remainder as the rupees that is left over. So rest of the question number C, D and E you try at your home. That is your homework. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe.